Okay, we are at that moment and markets opening. What do we have? First rates coming through, 60 points lower on the Nifty, 24,750. And you've got the Nifty Bank, which is down about 300 points, 350 points at about 58,071. This is not a bad start at all, but this is just the start. We've got the mid-cap index, which is down about 45, nothing flat. Then we've got the small-cap index, which will come up. And I think you will have some change coming through there as well. Small cap index is, down about a third, 56 odd points lower. Advanced decline, 800 up, about 650 odd names which are starting lower. And lots of stocks at the bottom of the screen with regards to how they are starting up. I mean, the Nifty heat map should give you a quick sense of where we are starting. And then we will pick it up from there. Okay, heat map in just a bit. But this is a much better than expected start. But this is, I mean, the first 30 seconds that we're referring to, and you've got a full trading session in front of you, a full trading week in front of you in that sense. 24,760 for now. Nigel has walked across to the big wall. Nigel, tell us more. Well,
Nifty down close to around 50 points or thereabouts. The Nifty Bank, that's pulled back a larger proportion. I'll tell you what, that 58,000 mark is very, very important for the Nifty Bank. Yesterday, we went down to around 57,800 or thereabouts. So that's important because the 100 DMA as well comes in at that level. We've been talking about Brent crude prices cooling off. Remember, a few trading sessions ago, it went to around $70 a barrel and then it pulled back. So you have stocks like ONGC as well as Oil India. Both of them should come up for you on the screen. Both of them were beneficiaries of that move that we saw from around $63 per barrel to around $70 per barrel. Both those two have come in for profit taking today. From the Nifty pack, Eicher Motors is another stock that's opened up a little bit softish. I think the last I checked, Eicher Motors was down close to around 2%. What's opened up in the green? From the Nifty pack, you have Sun Pharma that's continuing yesterday's run, so that's well in the green. And BEL, that's the other stock, I think, from the Nifty. Sun Pharma actually has given up all the gains right now, but BEL is a stock that's bounced back up close to around 2%. The fine print indicated that maybe, in fact, the defense spend is as good as anticipated. So post bout to profit taking, BEL opens up in the green. I think HAL and BDL as well did see some kind of pullback. Bharat Dynamics yesterday ended down with a cut of close to around 10%. That's opened up more or less flattish in today's trading session. What else? HPCL. Well, that stock yesterday recovered from the day's low. I think from the broader markets, that one as well has popped up in trade. So that's sitting with a gain of another %. And the divestment target is going to be very, very important for this year. And they're projecting close to around 80,000 crores. So obviously, IDBI Bank is going to be a stock that's going to be in focus all through the year. That one's holding with a gain of close to around 1%. Anant Raj, the last time I checked, that was seeing some follow-through buying post yesterday's big move. So from the broader markets, that one is calling for attention, up close to around 4.5%, and RVNL as well from the railway pack. That stock is doing pretty well in today's trading session. So lots moving around from the broader markets, from the Nifty as well. But the good news is, as you can see, the Sensex has moved into the green. Guys, I'm getting that feeling that it's like two batsmen moving, to chase a tall target, batting second. And you have the RBI and LIC probably that are coming in there to play a good knock today. Let's see how that goes.
I don't want to say LIC, but I think you said it, Rachel, but we'll see. You got the start, which is not bad. But these things you can, markets have a mind of their own and you can kind of sort of do things for a while. But the overarching, the bigger trend takes hold sooner rather than later. For now, it's not bad. I mean, 24,782 when we're down about 0.75%. The Sensex is absolutely flat.